Welcome to JASPER HARUSKA TV. Please like, share and subscribe. Garlic, known for its strong flavor and potent aroma, has been revered for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. Beyond its use in the kitchen, garlic is believed to have aphrodisiac qualities that can enhance libido, or sexual desire. Let's explore 25 ways in which garlic may increase libido, providing detailed explanations for each to understand its potential mechanisms. Number 1. Increased blood flow. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that promotes vasodilation, leading to improved blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow to genital areas can heighten arousal and sensitivity during sexual activity. Hormonal balance. Garlic may help regulate hormone levels, including testosterone, which plays a crucial role in sexual desire and performance. Balanced hormones contribute to a healthy libido. Stress reduction. Garlic has adaptogenic properties that can help the body cope with stress. By lowering stress levels, garlic indirectly boosts libido, as stress is a common inhibitor of sexual desire. Improved energy levels. Garlic is rich in nutrients like vitamin B6 and manganese, which are essential for energy metabolism. Increased energy can translate to enhanced stamina and endurance in the bedroom. Detoxification. Garlic supports liver function, aiding in the detoxification process. A cleansed system can lead to improved overall health, including sexual wellness. Enhanced nitric oxide production. Allicin in garlic stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This effect can benefit erectile function and arousal. Antibacterial properties. Garlic's antimicrobial properties may help combat infections in the genital area, reducing discomfort and promoting a healthier sexual experience. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of garlic can lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases that can impede sexual performance. Enhanced libido in women. Garlic's ability to improve blood circulation may also benefit women by increasing sensitivity in the genital area and promoting lubrication, enhancing sexual pleasure. Antioxidant effects. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress, which can negatively impact sexual function. By combating free radicals, garlic supports overall sexual health. Before we proceed, have you subscribed? Please do if you haven't, as it goes a long way in helping this channel grow, and don't forget to like, share and comment, as it makes the algorithm to recommend this channel to more people to benefit from. Let's proceed. Increased sperm quality. For men, garlic may improve sperm motility and viability due to its antioxidant properties, potentially enhancing fertility and sexual satisfaction. Balancing cortisol levels. Garlic can help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone, preventing its excessive production, which can dampen libido and sexual performance. Aphrodisiac effects. Garlic has been traditionally regarded as an aphrodisiac, with its intense aroma and stimulating properties believed to ignite passion and desire. Improved confidence. Consuming garlic regularly and experiencing its health benefits can lead to a sense of well-being and confidence, positively influencing sexual confidence and performance. Psychological benefits. The act of consuming garlic, whether raw or cooked, can have psychological associations with vitality and health, which can translate to heightened sexual desire and enjoyment. Enhanced sensory experience. Garlic's strong flavor and aroma can stimulate the senses, enhancing the overall sensory experience of food and potentially increasing arousal. Cultural significance. In many cultures, garlic is associated with love, romance, and fertility. These cultural beliefs and rituals surrounding garlic consumption can contribute to increased libido through psychological and social factors. Improved body image. Maintaining a healthy diet that includes garlic can contribute to a positive body image and self-esteem, which are important factors in sexual desire and satisfaction. Social bonding. Sharing meals that include garlic with a partner can strengthen emotional bonds and intimacy, leading to increased sexual desire and satisfaction. Increased dopamine levels. Garlic contains compounds that may stimulate the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, which can enhance sexual desire. Promotion of relaxation. Garlic's soothing properties can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, creating a conducive environment for intimacy and heightened sexual desire. Enhanced arousal. Garlic's potential to increase blood flow and stimulate nerve endings can enhance arousal and sexual responsiveness. Emotional connection. Including garlic in romantic meals or rituals can foster emotional connection and intimacy between partners, leading to increased sexual desire and satisfaction. Cognitive priming. Simply knowing about garlic's reputation as an aphrodisiac can prime the mind for increased sexual desire. The expectation of heightened libido can create a placebo effect, leading to genuine arousal and desire. Promotion of intimacy. Incorporating garlic into shared meals or culinary experiences can foster intimacy and bonding between partners, enhancing sexual desire and satisfaction. In conclusion, garlic offers a myriad of ways to potentially increase libido, ranging from physiological effects such as improved blood flow and hormonal balance to psychological influences like confidence enhancement and cultural significance. While garlic's aphrodisiac properties have been celebrated for centuries, individual responses may vary, and it's important to consider overall health and lifestyle factors. Incorporating garlic into a balanced diet and romantic rituals may contribute to improved sexual wellness and satisfaction. However, consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended for personalized advice on enhancing libido and sexual health. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more psychological facts.